Street reporting for Chaos TV. Do you have a favorite craft or hobby?
Yeah, well, I really like to perform, so I spend a lot of my time at the theater, either watching a show or being in one.
Do you have a favorite hobby or something you like to do in your spare time?
Yes, I like to practice my dancing in my spare time, tap and ballet.
I like to read and collect and look at blogs.
What are you reading right now?
Tales of Fourth Grade Nothing.
Chaos TV reporter Catherine here on the street.